Hello everybody and welcome to AppMaker University. Today we're going to be talking about modules and how they can extend your applications without having to write code. In today's session we're going to be installing the AMU email module, the basic version, and it's really just a couple simple steps. We're going to download the module from appmakeruniversity.com/templates, and then in AppMaker we just have to click on the file menu, select import zip, and then after it's done importing, we'll just place the button where we want to use it. It's really that easy. Well, let's check it out. Here in the editor, we will click on the file menu, and then we'll click on import, and the window will pop up where we can select our module zip file. And it's going to import here. Make sure we don't check this box because we don't want to overwrite our application. We'll click import. See, it imports the files that we need to make this email part work. And it also has a page here for where we can get the button. So we'll just click on that, and we'll hit Control-C and copy the button. We'll go over to the page that we want to place the button on, and we'll just hit paste. And then we can just drag that kind of over here and drop it where we want it. Perfect. Okay, let's take and preview our app now. Okay, we'll need to grant some permissions for the email service. And now we can click on Send Email. And then you see we get our pop-up. And I can go ahead and add a to field. And I'll just send this to myself. And then we'll add a subject. And the thing that's really nice about this pop-up is that we also have the rich text editor. So we can add in things like pictures and formatted text. And so that our email is going to look really awesome. We'll click Send here. And you see it gives us a little notification there. Just dismiss that. And let's see what that looks like in Gmail. Amazing! It's even better than I thought it would be. So I hope you enjoyed this video and how to install an email module. If you're looking for more of this information or the fastest way to learn how to use AppMaker, then be sure to check us out at appmakeruniversity.com.